It came with this tool, which you would stick in through these holes, just like this. You know, and that way you can't lose it into the water when everything is assembled. And that will come in through here, where you can stick it into this little hole to clean out any issues. Now, you can hear, even with this one, it's making this rather high-pitched sound. Not sure if you can hear that. So, that's what I'm going to try to fix by disassembling this little guy right here. It's called the aerator, and washing it out. Okay, so you can see the assembly with some clear water. I've taken everything out. Normally, you will have your plants here. You can see that they're planted inside the thing, and they are resting in here. So you just take it out, roots and all, put it in some kind of pot, and they'll probably be fine in there for a little while. Then you've got a clear access to here. I'm going to take this out. You don't have to worry about the thing being assembled on the base. Let's see, when I plug it out, or unplug it, water and all, you can just lift this guy right off of the base. Pour out the water. This little dividing thing will come out. That's fine, set it aside. And you can see when I plug it back in, it won't be making that noise anymore. Much lower pitched noise coming from the aerator right here. So the problem must be in this little guy. So I'm going to figure out how to pull him off, probably with pliers, and clean them out and see what the problem was. Alright, I managed to pull it off using some regular pliers. Just like this. It was on there. Just gripped it right at the base, turned it counterclockwise. And after one good twist, it came off by hand. So now I am going to pull out all those pieces and clean them out individually. Alright, so look at what came out. This thing's a gunky mess. And this was right above this piece inside of this casing right here. So I'm going to clean out the casing, clean off that thing, and then reassemble it. Okay, so I've cleaned this off a bit. Just gave it a bit of a rinse and then washed it off with a towel. There was some gunk inside here. I don't have like a pipe cleaner or anything, which you might want to clean it out, but I just ran some water through it, tapped it on the side, and a bunch of gunk came out of it. You can see that there. And just to go over how I got this ring out to begin with, I used this tool again. So once this assembly was all together with the ring in it, just like that when I took it out. I got the plastic piece out by just using this thing and sticking it under the plastic and pulling that like that. I was worried I would damage it, but it ultimately seemed to come out fine. So yeah, let me put this together and see if I got rid of that sound. Now to put it back, I just twisted it on a little bit by hand. and then finish it off maybe like a quarter turn with the pliers here. And it seems like no matter how you put it on initially, it'll eventually thread, just so that this part is in the front. And so I think once it's in the front, once you've got it there with the pliers, your seal is good. And now it sounds much better. Got much more water coming out, nice low bubble, none of that high-pitched squealing. So hopefully this helps someone.